Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are making chunky rings. I've honestly been seeing these chunky rings all over social media lately, on my TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and also a bunch of celebrities have been wearing them. I saw Emma Chamberlain wearing them, Dua Lipa, and like Belle Hadid. And so I thought I would go buy these rings online. Turns out they're actually very overpriced. So I thought I would just go to Michael's and try to make these clay rings myself. I found a lot of my inspo from Pinterest, and so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so to make these rings, all you need is some oven baked clay and some clear gloss to put on your rings after. For all of the rings, I just started out by rolling it between my palms, and I noticed that the warmth of my hands would help form it really well. Also, just a disclaimer, I wouldn't recommend doing this with acrylic nails because I noticed my nails kept putting dents in the clay, but they still ended up really cute. For sizing, after I was done with each ring, I would just try to put it on my finger to make sure it fit. I'd also recommend using a ring you already have as a size reference. For this next one, I used the same method of rolling it between my hands, but this time I decided to make it really thin because I wanted to make a wraparound type ring. And so basically I made the clay really thin where I'd be able to wrap it around my pinky, and so it would give this very swirl-like illusion. Okay, so this next ring is honestly one of my favorites. I basically just threw a bunch of colors together, obviously orange and yellow, and I was able to make this marble pattern, which I found was really cute. Okay, so this is the ring I've been seeing the most on Pinterest, and it's that little warped, I don't really know how to describe it, but it's like a little swirly, I guess. Anyway, you get what I mean. So basically I just rolled the clay really thin so that I was able to have enough to make a full ring, and just followed that up and down pattern on my table. These ones honestly look like little raspberries to me, and I just really love this design. I really wanted to make a smiley face ring, so for this one I made sure to add a little yellow circle on top so that I would be able to draw on a smiley face after. This last one was basically a mix of all the extra scraps I had, so I just made it into another marble ring. So honestly, these did not work out as well as I hoped. I'll show you how they look like. Okay, so they're super cute and colorful and fun, right? But in the oven, like a smell started to happen that like I don't know, a little fume was coming off of this. So I took it out early, and so some of them are still like soft. Oh, actually they're getting harder now that they're sitting out. But look at that! I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out. But yeah, they're actually really cute. This one is pretty cute. Yeah, this one, I'm not sure what really happened over here, but it's cute. Yellow, fun. I really like this one. The blue and the green that I mixed together. I think that's really fun. This one with the blue, I'm gonna draw a smiley face on it. I think that would be really cute. And it like fits on my thumb. Why is my hand? Okay, it fits. How do I show you my thumb? It fits on my thumb like perfectly, which I really love. This one is also very cute. This swirly that I tried to do. This red one. Little red tie-dye-ish with like orange that I tried to do. I have another green one, similar to the spinny one that I made. And then last but not least, these two. The red one, yellow version. These are kind of fire. Oh shoot, this one just broke. Yes. Guys, this was actually really fun to make. It took me like 30 minutes, I think, to make all of these. Yeah, I would highly recommend you guys to make rings if you can't afford to buy them, because I know they are pretty expensive. This was a really fun thing to do. It was very therapeutic, and yeah, it's just super cute. So I would definitely recommend you guys to make some rings if you guys want to. Very fun. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more content from me, make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye!